Mathematics is one of the most important subjects. Mathematics is a subject of numbers, shapes, data measurements, and also logical activities. It has a scope in every field of our life, such as medicine, engineering, finance, natural science, economics, and more. We are all surrounded by a mathematical world. Area is a measure of the size or extent of a two-dimensional surface or space. It is typically expressed in square units, such as square meters or square feet, and it quantifies how much space in enclosed within the boundaries of a shape or region. Common geometric shapes like rectangle, circle, and triangles have well-defined formulas for calculating their areas. Geometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with properties of space, such as the distance, shape, size, relative position of figures. Geometry is, along with arithmetic, one of the oldest branches of mathematics. A mathematics who works in the field of geometry is called geometer. It also includes the notion of point, line, plane, distance, angle, surface, and curves as fundamental concepts. In conclusion, mathematics is a vital discipline in every person's life. It enables one to have an open mind on how to solve problems, because one can approach a problem in math using very different ways. It also enables one to be alert so as not to commit unnecessary errors and to only aim for accuracy.
Next, for problem 1, we were assigned a task where we had to build a house consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, 1 kitchen, 1 dining room, 1 family space, and 1 hall. The building cost is 100 ringgit per square feet, and our client budget is 250,000 ringgit. We cannot exceed 2,500 square feet, so this is our house plan that meets the client's budget. Client criteria. Here's the calculation of the area for each room, where each space is 1 kitchen, 1 hall, 3 bedroom, 2 toilets, 1 dining room, and 1 family space. Also, we have 1 extra space that needs to be multiplied by using the area formula, which is length times width. So the total area of the all part in the house amount to 2,492 square feet. Based on the cost of 100 ringgit per square feet and the client budget is 250,000 ringgit, so we multiply the cost per square feet 100 ringgit by the total area of the house, which is 2,492 square feet. So the resulting in the total building cost is 249,200 ringgit. The summary we can make is our group members successfully designed a house plan of 2,492 square feet to meet our client requirement, including 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets, 1 family room, 1 dining room, 1 kitchen, and 1 hall. The design ensures that the house does not exceed 2,500 square feet while staying within the budget. So the total cost for construction is 249,200 ringgit. This is the housing pamphlet that our group created as a reference. The conclusion that can be drawn from our task for problem 1 is that understanding the concept of area is fundamental to our comprehension of space and shapes. Weather is calculating the size of a room, determining the requirements for a construction project, or analyzing the area under a curve. The concept of area is a versatile and essential mathematical tool. It enables us to quantify and compare the extent of two-dimensional surface, and is crucial in various fields. Learning about a specific area is a multifaceted endeavor that involves acquiring knowledge, skill, and expertise in a particular subject or file. It requires dedication, curiosity, and often formal or informal education. As one delves deeper into a chosen area, they gain a deeper understanding and expertise, which can be applied to personal or professional growth. Lifelong learning in a specific area is essential for adapting to a constantly changing world and staying relevant. In conclusion, learning about an area is an ongoing and rewarding journey that can have a significant impact on one's life or career.
Assalamualaikum. I am Haziq Fikri bin Kayuzaman from class R1B. Today I will explain the title Geometry. Geometry is one of the fundamental disciplines in geometry is the circular measure. It deals with the measurement of any object in circular shape. Throughout the years, there have been various applications of circular measure in daily life. By applying your knowledge about circular measure, find a suitable example in real life situation or occurrence and make a report to explain about it. The report must consist of the following. Public have known that exposed surface area will be affect evaporation rate of water. Evaporation is process which an element or compound transition from liquid state to gaseous state below the temperature at which water will boil. This problem also have been implemented in real life. For example, water in bucket will reduce in certain period of time if the water in bucket are exposed to sunshine. This is one of reasons that will increase the rate of water evaporation. Solution of this problem is reduce exposed surface area of water or cover water surface area. The water in the bucket will evaporate to dryness if people don't take initiative to solve this problem. This will make the owner of pool lose some of money to refill the water. Therefore, we should know preventive measure to prevent this problem occurs. For example, the owner should install the roof above the pool. The purpose of this statement is to study relationship between exposed surface area and volume of water have evaporated. From purpose of research, I have simplified the variable consists of three: manipulate variable, constant variable, and responding variable. Manipulate variable is exposed surface area. Constant variable is level of water before and after evaporate, and responding variable is evaporation rate of water or volume loss of water. Diagram 3 showing two tanks that have different volume and have the same height. Both tank was given full of water. After 4 hours, water from both tank reduced to half of tank. Value of pi was given in following question. Pi equals to 22/7. Let's go to calculate part. Question 1. Calculate volume of boat tank before evaporation process happen. First, we will enter formula volume of cylinder pi times R power of 2 times T, and we will enter the value from cylinder before evaporation. Then we will get volume water from tank A equals to 4025.49 centimeter cubic. Meanwhile, we will get volume water from tank B before evaporation equal to 40,778.1 centimeter cubic. In question 2, calculate volume balance of water from boat tank after evaporation process happen. First, we will enter formula volume of cylinder pi times R power of 2 times T. We will enter value of radiant and height both of tank after evaporation process occur. We will get volume balance water from tank A equals to 2412.7 centimeter cubic. Meanwhile, we will get volume balance water from tank B equals to 7,389 centimeter cubic. In question 3, we will compare volume of water loss from boat tank and give the reason. First, we will enter value before and after evaporation from boat tank, and volume water before evaporation will deduct with volume water after evaporation like this, and we will get volume loss of water equals to tank A equals to 2412.79 centimeter cubic. We will follow step like before, and we will get volume loss of water from tank B as much as 7,389.1 centimeter cubic. After calculation, we will find out that tank B have volume of water loss more than tank A because evaporation rate of water in tank B is higher than tank A. Let's end my session with conclusion. Tank B is experience a significant volume loss of water due to its large exposed area. Okay, that's all from my part. Let's continue.
The concept of area and geometry are integrally intertwined, forming the foundation for understanding the spatial aspects of our world. Geometry provides us with the tools to analyze and describe stage, shapes, angles, and the relationship between different elements of space. Through geometry, we can unlock the secrets of symmetry, congruence, and transformations. Area as a crucial component of geometry allows us to measure the extent of two-dimensional space. It enables us for quantify regions, calculate surface area, and find the space enclosed by various geometric shapes. This concept is indispensable in practical applications like architecture, land surveying, and art, as well as in theoretical fields such as physics and engineering. Together, area and geometry empower us to solve real-world problems, design innovative structure and explore the mysteries of the universe. These mathematical tools and only enhance our physical and problem-solving abilities, but also deepen our application for the elegance and precision of the mathematical world.